Okay, we have a lot of practice for lesson 84, so I'm looking forward to doing this with you. First off, they want us to take fractions and convert them into decimals. So I'm going to do a different color for this. I'm going to do blue for my answers. This in decimal form is 425. Our next number in decimal form is decimal 875, or we say 875 thousandths. I feel like I have a lisp on this one. This is how you create when you have 35 thousandths. You put decimal, you put a 0 in the tenths place, a 3 in the hundreds, and a 5 in the tenths place, and that is 35 hundredths. We have a mixed number. Our mixed number is 2, and here's our tenths, hundredths, and then our 7 thousandths. I feel like I'm spitting all over. Now we need to do the opposite and create the fraction form for this. So 214 hundredths. And let's see, I'm also looking, and they want us to use words to name these. So, okay, here we go. This is going to take a minute. 214 hundredths. Wait, no, thousandths. Thousand, and then THS. Whew, that was a lot. The next one, we're going to need help. Let's see, they want us to do a fraction. That's 321 thousandths. Remember, we have our 3 zeros. Now I'm going to write this. 4. And I'm abbreviating for space, guys. 4 and 321 1. Now it's interesting because we still use the word hundred, but it's not meant in the same way as how we are. Anyway, 321, and then this is the kicker. We have 321 thousandths. In this situation, that 0, don't let that mess you up. You think, write the number, then look the fraction. We know that we're going to have 3 zeros and a 1, so 25 thousandths. So let's write that. 20-5 thousandths. And I just think thousandths. Don't forget on that, okay? We have here's how to write a whole number with a decimal. 5, let's see. I'm going to write it first, and then I'll do it in fraction form. 5, and that means the decimal, and 12 thousandths. Thousandths. And we're going to write this 12, and then we put our thousand underneath. Here again, don't let this bug you. You know that because it's right here, it's in the thousandths place, so it's just going to be 3 thousandths. and we're going to write that 3 thousandths. Uh-oh, guys, I'm going to run out of space. But you know what I'm talking about. Finally, our last one, 9 and 999 thousandths. And we write this 9, then we're going to have to write a lot of nines. 9 and 9, 999 thousandths. Oops, my pen is going faster than the computer. So there you have it. Thanks for sticking with me. Good luck on the practice and the homework.